a quick and filling smoothie that I love that's great for curbing cravings. I'm using a banana, some blueberries, oats, chia seeds, and almond milk. And all these things you probably already have at home, right? This smoothie is packed with fiber, so it's filling and helps curb cravings. Plus, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, which are great for your metabolism. Each of these ingredients plays a key role. Blueberries help support your metabolism. Chia seeds are full of fiber, keeping you fuller longer, and oats can help you keep your blood sugar stable. All together, they make a satisfying smoothie that's great if you're trying to manage your weight. Now, I spent years researching the perfect combination of superfoods that don't just boost your natural metabolic powers, but supercharge it into fat-burning overdrive. That's why inside my program, you're not just getting 5 superfoods. You're actually unlocking the full metabolic blueprint that thousands of women have used to shed stubborn fat faster than they ever thought possible. Cap it. Yeah, look at that. A light and refreshing smoothie that keeps you fuller for longer and energized. We're using green apple, pineapple, spinach, cucumber, celery, and a splash of coconut water. The apple and pineapple give this a sweet taste and keep you full, and the cucumber and celery make it super hydrating. This smoothie is full of superfoods like spinach, which is low in calories but high in nutrients, and pineapple, which helps with digestion. Plus, coconut water adds natural electrolytes to keep you energized without adding a ton of calories. Do you have any favorite flavor twists like spicy, sweet, or savory? Drop them in the comments below because I can't wait to see what you guys add to your foods. And if you're looking for more superfood tips just like this for weight loss, click that link below and I'll see you on my free presentation. A light and refreshing smoothie that keeps you hydrated and fuller for longer. For something refreshing and light, this is my go-to smoothie. This smoothie is really hydrating thanks to the cucumber and celery, and the ginger adds a nice little kick that's great for digestion. This mix has some awesome detox and weight loss superfoods. Ginger is actually known to help with bloating and digestion. Cucumber is perfect for hydration, and pineapple has enzymes that can help break down fat. So we've got cucumber, celery, ginger, green apple, lemon juice, and pineapple, all light and refreshing ingredients. Now this spicy superfood has digestion improving, anti-inflammatory, and blood sugar regulating properties that help get the metabolism moving fast. Top going on.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Yummy. A creamy smoothie that's filling and good for digestion too. I'm using avocado, almond milk, half a banana, a bit of honey, cinnamon, and some ice. The banana and avocado make this smoothie really creamy and satisfying, so you're not gonna wanna have to raid that snack pantry after you have this. This smoothie is packed with weight loss friendly ingredients. Avocado has healthy fats and fiber to keep you full for longer. And cinnamon also helps keep blood sugar steady, which can be super helpful for managing cravings. I bet you didn't know an entire avocado contains 14 grams of fiber, which helps expedite the removal of toxins that can lead to premature aging. This sweet spice isn't just a tasty topper for your coffees and cappuccinos. It's also a super fuel for your metabolism. Here we go. Now, if these recipes sound good to you, let me know in the comments what city you're watching us from so I can give you special thanks. Today, actually, I want to thank Yolanda from LA. Thank you so much for coming out. And guys, don't miss out on my free presentation. Just click that link below to watch it now.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.